You doing out there? I finally got back to the card trick thing. I was busy a little bit and got nothing done really, anything other than made some pork chops and straightened up a little bit. Messed with the editing. Editing takes a little time. I have some archives that I was trying to put out. I'm trying to put out what I can because I'm trying to grow this channel. It's something I really been wanting to do for 2 years. And now I'm just getting serious about it. I'm gonna pick some cards up out of the middle of this deck, just so you know that I ain't playing no fancy tricks, you know. Okay. All right, we got these cards here. And because you're not here to pick a card, how about we do it this way? We'll do this. 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth card is your card. Okay? You see it? I don't. So that's what I'm supposed to not see. All right, there it is. Now this is a little fancy little trick that nobody really knows how it works. I'm gonna cut the deck. It's just the cards take you to the card. You don't have to do anything. Cut it again, and now you'll see what I'm talking about. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't get a match, so we cap that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6. You got that. 10, that's 10, so that stays. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 4, match, we got that. So that's 10, 16, 20. 20 cards down will be your card. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is that your card? I don't know because I didn't see it and I won't know till I play the video. All right. I hope you're having a good day. This is going to get better here and I'll be back on track with things out indoors. And if you're anywhere where this has been or where it's going, it's passed already, but it's left a little wrath behind. I hope everybody did well. Big prayers. Thank you very much. Keep enjoying, keep subscribing. I want to build this channel to help people and help myself and get people, retired people, out of the house and into whatever is there to offer. All right, thank you. Stop recording.